Okay guys, so this is the last attempt for today to see what kind of stuff we can find. Hopefully we find either a religious mug, a summer mug, or any of the new items. If you haven't watched it, go watch the video before this one. It's more of a slide video of me showing you the new stuff that's out this week for Rae Dunn. Go ahead and look. So far I stumbled upon 2 of those items in this video and I am super happy about it. Okay guys, so we have this bedside water set. Ooh, this is kind of cute. It's this is how it works. Sip and pour, and you know, this is actually $19.99. Something that would be very useful for me because I drink a lot of water at night. Look at all these. I have this one, Boss Mom, Mom Life, Make It Happen, Dream Big, Never Give Up, Home is Where Mom Is. Is this a chip or is just they didn't finish glazing it there. Never Give Up and Dream Big. Those are cute. Then they have these Easter ones here left. The coaster set is cute. Cute coaster set. So we have more of these Mom Feel Cool Mom, Soccer Mom wine glass metal thingies, $7.99. But how cute are these? These are super cute, and they are $7.99, but these are for hot and cold insulated. This is also insulated, but not sure if it's for hot or cold. I mean, for hot too. Best Nana. That's cute. Oh, look what we found here. Look at all these. These are beautiful. Look at this. Best day ever, happily ever after. If this is good for a wedding gift. Where's the price tag? Okay, so this is $19.99. It looks like somebody ordered it online and just returned it. This is cute. These are $12.99. They all say brunch. It's like a butter dish, and it says brunch, $7.99. I'm so tired. Okay guys, so we have this humongous Rae Dunn wood piece. I think this is for like your front porch. It says USA with a nice cute red star, white and blue. And it's actually pretty thick, see? And the price for this is, let me see if I can find the price, $19.99. Not bad for this humongous piece. Look at that. It's super cute. I don't celebrate 4th of July that much, but these are cute. Blue USA with a flag, $7.99. Red USA with a flag, and then these are red USA. I think there's a blue one back here. It's the same price, $7.99. And then we have God Bless America with the stripes. This is cute. Nice cute detail. Look at this detail on the top. Super cute. This one says America the Beautiful, and it has the beads with the colors. Let freedom ring, and it has the stars that look this way. And these are how much? These are cute. $12.99. These are really cute. Like so many birdhouses in every TJ Maxx and Marshalls that I go to. This is, you know, what's left over from some clearance from Easter. Lots of leftover stuff. But if you see over there all the way at the end, there is so many birdhouses. Look, let me walk you through all the way over there. They have this cute penthouse, vacancy, blessed, wild, early bird, a lot. And you know, they range prices. Some of them are 20 bucks. Well, I think they're all 20 bucks. 20 bucks. I like the color of this one. But penthouse, yeah, you see when the sticker is this like this, it's because they bought it online and for some reason they returned it to the store. They didn't like it, they weren't able to sell it or something, and they returned it to the store. More birdhouses down here, more leftover Easter, and yes, more birdhouses down here and leftover Easter. So this end cap here is for like wedding, love, kind of happily ever after books. We're hitched, I love us, happily ever after, the best is yet to come. This is adorable. Look at the detail on that little truck right there with those beautiful flowers. Oh my god, happily ever after. How much is this? $9.99. That's adorable. Yeah, this is a 11 days till Mr. and Mrs. This is cute. Okay, so they have some citrus peel candle, vanilla cupcake, blackberry tart, and they have the 4th of July theme, as you can see going on here. The big ones are $12.99, and the small ones are $7.99. They have some more down here, and every store I've been through, this is the candle aisle. Like literally everything has been bought. Like it's crazy. Okay guys, so we are here in the checkout aisle and we see these soaps, hand soaps. They have grandma, mom, best mom, and they're all $6.99. Oh, this one looks interesting. And then they have, like I told you, the set here of lotion and hand soap. More of the mom soaps. Ooh, this is a cute rubber ducky. These soaps are $3.99. Dance mom, number one mom, girl mom, mom life, boy mom. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so very much for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate it very much. Go watch the previous video if you want to catch up on what's coming out new this week, because you are going to love it. Thank you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so we are in HOMESENCE and I want to show you the cute pillows that I just found. Oh my god, those are adorable. Okay guys, look at these pillows. How cute is this sea, sand, and sun 12-inch pillow set of 3, and it's $16.99, and they have, the word is in blue. I don't know if you can see it, but the wording is in blue, and they are like this rough kind of wicker material. They are so cute. They're the little tiny ones, but oh my god, for a nautical theme, front porch or living room or whatever it is you're going to decorate, that's super cute. And again, we are going with the Love Grows here. Look at these beautiful summer colors. Nice butterfly detail. And it's going for $16.99 also. These are so cute and adorable. They have like so many different styles. So they have another one here. It's You Are My Sunshine, and it has, I think, little lemon slices in the bottom. I can't get to it because I have all this furniture in front of it, but I think it's the same price. $16.99. Hold on, let me see if I can get to the back of this and I'm gonna show you better. Okay, so we are back. Here's the same pillow that I just showed you, and then this one is, yeah, $16.99. and these are, I think they're like pineapples or little dots. There it is. So many beautiful items in this store. They have furniture, they have everything you would need for your house is here. How adorable are these canisters? Best Mom, with, look at that flower detail. That's so cute. And this is going for home. Oh my god, why is this so heavy? Is there something in it? No, it's just super heavy. $9.99. So cute. Oh my god, I think I need to get some coffee because I felt that so heavy. They have another one here. And I think that's it for like the Rae Dunn kitchen stuff, because I haven't seen anything else. Oh man. They have this one here on clearance, class of 2020 in black. So I guess we're gonna have to go to the stores right next door to us, the Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So let's see you there. So here in these little thingies, they have a couple of bird houses that I already shown you before, but I see like a bird house in a gnome shape. Oh, this is cute. Off the grid. Flower path, $9.99. So small for that price. And here it is. They have dome, sweet dome in pink for $19.99. I think that's the only one they have. Super cute. Okay guys, so I apologize. I was heading out and I saw this My Happy Place huge pillow, and it's that rusty rough. It's $16.99 also. It's super adorable. I love it for the front porch. It's just I don't have, it's too big. It won't fit in any of my furniture, but that's super cute. Plant Mom, $7.99. and Grateful. These are super adorable. I haven't seen these yet. It's my first time actually seeing these, and they are super cute. If you love succulents, yes, there you go. These are perfect for that.